Welcome. In this tip of the week, I'm going to show off some of the surprising or interesting things that can be copied and pasted within WorkLink Create. This can add quite a bit of functionality and speed to the authoring process. So we have an example project here with a cube that I've created, and on this cube I've added a bit of a change in position, also a change in rotation, and then additionally I have a callout attached to it. So within WorkLink Create, all of the elements in this object properties window can actually be copied and pasted not only to this three-dimensional object in other steps, but also to other three-dimensional objects. So we can start, for example, with the transform here. If I right-click next to the word transform, I see that copy appears. I can select copy, and we can come over to step 2 here. Now we can see we have this cube in a completely different location and rotation. But if I then right-click again, I have the option to paste. And now we've pasted the exact same position, rotation, and scale information onto this cube. So you can see those two match. Similarly, for the sphere, we could do the same thing. We could paste that, and we'll get a sphere placed right there. Now again, the rotation doesn't show as well because it's a sphere, but you can actually see there's that -45 in the z-axis, similar to this cube. But within the object properties, this is also true for pivot information, material information, and callout information. So if we return to this cube on our first step, we come down to the callout that's assigned to it. I can actually copy this callout, go to our step 2 cube, and we can paste that callout right here. So if you build a specific callout layout that you're happy with, you can then copy and paste that onto lots of elements in your scene very quickly, and then just edit the specific details in here. Another surprising thing that we can copy and paste within WorkLink Create, it happens in the timeline. So if I play through these animations right here, we'll see I have my cube fade in, I have a little animation play on it with a color change, and then a highlight sphere happen as well. So let's say that I am really happy with the way this little set of animations works. So I can actually come down here to the timeline editor, and instead of copying and pasting each individual time bar, I could either grab a specific channel, and I could copy a channel, or I can grab this entire timeline element here called an object, and I can hit copy object, and then if I hit down here, I can paste it. And now I have a full duplicate with it'll say missing reference right now because it's not assigned to anything. But if I select the sphere and then click replace with selected, now that sphere will have the same animation play on it. So if we go back and we play this, we'll see that the sphere and the cube both have those same animations. So, yep, overall within WorkLink Create, there are a couple surprising elements that can be copied and pasted, and that should make the authoring process both easier and faster. Thank you.